Labor Day sugar-free pudding up and running. Skillful hands, a greater. Woo! What a blessing. In the Labor Day, yeah. Great. This a pudding I go great. Alright. Watch the progress. Watch the skillful hands. Let me see the ingredients, people. Sweet potato is a dominant ingredient. A little piece of yam, carrots, and I'm gonna put 2 or 3 ripe bananas. When I add that, I was gonna see that. No flour, I'll use oats at the last one I did. So no gluten, I'll use oats because oats is gluten free. A little cornmeal, a little bit of honey, no sugar, and I use raisin and ripe banana to sweeten. Watch the skin them they're gonna go in the garden. Sweet potato remains. Yeah, man. For real, in the Labor Day, yeah. That's my Labor Day project. No sugar pudding at the Labor Day, yeah. Labor Day pudding. Alright, people. I'm trying my hand at another no sugar pudding. In the Labor Day, yeah, in Jamaica. It's my Labor Day project still. I don't know other Labor Day project. Alright. So I'm trying to be healthier, and I have done one before and it came out nice. Those who tried it told me it was so tasty and never missed the sugar. So I have the sweet potato grated, mostly sweet potato and carrots and a little piece of yam. The last time I used pumpkin. I'm not putting any pumpkin in it this time. And I have my cornmeal. And I have raisins, a lot of raisins. That's the main sweetener. I have chiffon butter. This is a bulk chiffon. You can use vegan butter to make it even healthier. So for those watching their sugar level, this is a nice pudding to do. And I have other ingredients. I put ripe banana. Very ripe banana. This sweet ripe bananas. The riper they are sweeter. I have my oats. And everybody tell you, the nutritionist, the doctors, oats is about 45 on the glycemic index scale, which is low to medium. Oats is healthier. It doesn't spike your blood sugar as flour. Flour is about 70. And I'm going to grind the oats in the NutriBullet and turn it into flour. And I'm going to use coconut powder. I did not buy any coconut to grate at this time, so I'm just going to use the powder. Alright, so just watch the progress. Let's hope the pudding come out nice like the last one. Alright, make we say it gonna. Yeah, man, flour. So just pour out your oats. Into your NutriBullet container. Yeah, man, just put it in other thing. Set it in. as that. Easy, easy, easy as that. Time for the bananas. Yes, they're a bit ripe, overripe. Sweeter they are. Let me just go crush the bananas. Just crush them. Alright, see what I'm doing. Just crush them. Everybody know if we crush banana. Crush your bananas, crush them. Add one more. You can put a ripe plantain. Anything you want to put in your pudding. Anything you think natural. Anything pineapple. Low sugar, but remember fruits are natural. Fruits natural and healthy. Fruits process easily in your body. Not like processed food and cane sugar and other things that are not so healthy. Alright, just crush, crush, crush. Crush, crush. Alright, I'll just continue crushing. So look, I've added the right banana. And I'm just gonna put a little piece of the butter, about a spoon, big spoon. Well, about you Jamaicans, we just cook and judge. We don't really measure with measuring spoon. We just put by judgment what we think. Alright, so just put some butter to your likeness, how you feel. If you want it to be moist, then you put more butter. Alright, I'm gonna mix the coconut powder. Just empty the packet and add water, that's all. They make it easier for you when I feel grate on a coconut. Coconut powder. So I'm just mixing the milk, coconut powder, turn it into milk. Here, coconut powder. And so far I've added the right banana, raisins, butter, to the other ingredients that I showed before, the sweet potato, the carrots and so on. Alright, I'm adding some oats now. Cornmeal, dry ingredients. So 1 heap spoon, big spoon, that is tablespoon. 2 big, 3 big heaped spoon. And a little bit more, because as I always say, we don't really measure. Same thing with the oats flour. Just add about 3 or so big heaped spoon. Yeah, man. Alright. A little bit more. Dry ingredients. So see there now. Oats, cornmeal underneath that. You can see the yellow. I'm gonna mix now the coconut powder, turn into milk, and then see there? See how nice that look? I'm gonna add water too, because obviously the milk will not be enough to combine everything. And we're gonna add spices, vanilla, little rose almond, little nutmeg, and then something, little tubes of salt. Yeah, so we Jamaicans do it. Yeah man, grate nutmeg. The nutmeg here, allspice, Grenada national fruit, the nutmeg. We Jamaicans put it in our porridge, with puddings, with juices, with soursop juice. You can put it in our tea, with coffee tea, with Milo tea, with chocolate tea. Yeah man, anything you want, put it in. Now I have honey here, and it's not a whole heap I'm using, just 1 or 2 tablespoons, because the pudding must not taste sweet. When everything come together, you'll see how sweet it is. See there? That's all I'm putting, no more than that. That's what I used the last time. Came out sweet, 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 sweet. Along with your liquid. Trust me, the sweet potato, the raisin, the ripe banana, everything going to taste sweet. It tastes sweet, 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 and you don't me tell you, and it smells so good. It smells so good. Alright, I put baking powder, not soda, no baking powder, make it a little light. Baking powder, and enough people not put baking powder then put, but me put a little. I don't want it too light, so I don't put no more than 1 tablespoon. Right? 1 tablespoon can work. Alright, me just a stir now, people. I stir up my ingredients, stir. You see it come together nicely. I had to add a little more of the oats flour. And guess what now? Wash my pan them already. Pan them ready. So I just go grease that one here. That one here no stick. That's what I use. I don't have to use a file paper. Alright? I put a little file paper because putting heavy on that one here always tend to stick the pan here. I know that pan here. So I just rub out the butter. Rub out the butter like so with my finger. See? At the side. Rub the butter and make it create a non-stick thingy. Create a non-stick. And then when you put the bake, it just come out nicely. Yeah man, just rub up butter on the side. Alright. By the way, the ingredient mustn't be too liquid, it's pudding, it must be thick. It mustn't. Alright, so the consistency should not be runny, it should be thick. See that when you mix it, stand up, firm. Because a pudding and it must thick, not be runny. It must not be runny, alright? Pour out in a baking pan time. See how that pretty? Thick. Alright. So that's the small one now. Alright, light in the oven time down. It's a bit dark. I just turn on that to 300 and see there, the bucket, 365 degrees or 200, depending on the thermostat where you have. So just do it to how you feel, make it be as hot as possible, but you don't want it to burn up. Alright, so I put in the first one. There, pudding in the oven. And just close him up. Close him up. And leave him for about an hour. About an hour. Pudding take longer than cake. It's thick. So roughly an hour. Or sometime more than an hour, hour and 20 minutes. So you have to just test it, alright? Alright, the pudding ready. Firm and pretty. But I'm still a cool. Still cooling down. Alright, people, pudding up and running. So me just cut out a slice, yeah? See how moist it is, very moist. Very, very moist. Very moist. Trying to hold the camera. Very moist. See how soft, how moist. Look at the texture. See, very moist. Very gooey. Time for tasting. I love to taste it already as everybody can see. Tasted. Tastes so good. Very moist. Sweet. The raisins are sweet. Tasting. It tastes sweet. When I mix sugar, the banana, and the sweet potato and the raisins, it tastes so sweet.